Good morning, children. Today we will continue the second unit, Physical and Chemical Changes. In the last class, we understood the first kind of changes, that is, slow and fast changes. Today, we will understand the second change, that is, desirable and undesirable. Here it is there in page number 24. Desirable and undesirable changes. What do you mean by desirable? The changes occurring naturally or artificially that are useful to living beings are called desirable changes. That means they are useful. If any changes take place by nature or by any force, by artificial, and we decide to have it, and which are useful to us, such changes are called desirable changes. And some of the desirable changes first we understand, and then we will go to the undesirable changes. Some of the desirable changes are given in your book. They are the natural ripening of fruits on trees because it produces sweet, tasty, and nutritious fruit. The tree gives fruit, and when it is raw, it has some taste, and by nature itself, there is some chemical substance produced in the plant and change the raw fruit from the tree to a ripened fruit which is useful to us. And the change from raw to ripening is a desirable change. After it ripens and it will fall from the tree. The production of honey prepared by bees, honey bees, is good for health. It is also used in medicines. We know that honeybees collect the nectar from the flowers and bring it, it collects and stores in the hive, and there a chemical change, some changes take place. The nectar turns to honey, which is useful to us. So this change is also desirable change. And production of crops of wheat, pulses, rice, and all the grains which give us food stuff. So that change. So from the plant it grows into crop, and the crop ripens and it is ready to be in use. So that change is also a desirable change which is useful. And the evaporation of water from water resources. We all know that, what in the last part also I explained, water from the lakes and all the water bodies evaporates and forms clouds, and from clouds we receive rain. So this change is also desirable change. And then earthworms. Earthworms are called farmers' friends because they burrow into the soil. So they just turn the soil and loosens the soil and makes the soil fertile. And it is very useful to the farmers. So they are called farmers' friends. So burrowing of earthworm in the soil, cultivating soil, is a desirable change. And now the next part, undesirable change. What do you mean by undesirable change? There are some changes naturally or artificially occur all around us which are very much dangerous and also harmful for the living being. And such changes are called undesirable changes. Some of them are given in the book. Use of insecticides. What do you mean by insecticides? Like mosquitoes or insects. So when they enter into our house, we like to kill it or chase it, or we use some insecticides. Like vegetables also, when they grow, some of the insects will be there in the plants. The farmers use some insecticides. Insecticides means any chemical which we use to kill the insects. And many plants will have some kind of insects. When they grow on its own, it comes in nature, they will get the insects. So to remove the insects from the plants, the farmers use the insecticides. This is some chemical and they are poisonous to kill the insects. When they use it, it will be absorbed by the plants which we use. So that will be harmful to us. But the change is needed because we have to protect the plants from the insects and we have to protect ourselves from the mosquitoes. Like that, we use the insecticides. So that insecticides can harm the living being. So without um, desire, that is undesirable, we don't want to, but we have to, such kind of thing is called undesirable. And rusting of iron, because it weakens and destroys the iron metal. So it is again a change in the nature. When we get a new almirah, iron almirah, it will be painted and it will look good and it is strong and all these things. And slowly it starts rusting. Any metal substance which we use at home, you must have observed that it started rusting, jung lag jana. So it becomes weak because of the rusting, and this process cannot be stopped. It is naturally occurring change. We cannot, it changes, but it is not a desirable, which is not useful to us. So they are harmful to the iron substances and also it is a loss to us. So this is again a undesirable changes. It changes, but we don't want. It is a harm, waste to us. And garbage thrown on roadside. Garbage is common. Every house will have the garbage. So when we throw it on the roadside, it pollutes the environment. So anyhow, we have to throw the garbage. So wherever the garbage is thrown, so we cannot stop that change. And that change is undesirable. And tooth decay in the mouth caused by bacteria. We know that when we eat sweets, and majority of the people get the tooth decay. Decay means spoiling of the teeth. And it causes the health problem. And it also naturally happens because of the bacteria in our mouth. Bacteria are there in everyone's mouth, and some people will get that infection because of the bacteria in their teeth, and it is undesirable. And formation of cancerous tumors, that also in nature, in our body, some people gets this kind of defect, we can say. Cells, uncontrollable growth of cells in internal or outer body, it becomes a tumor, and that tumor can lead to cancer, and this is again undesirable. And these are the things which we do not want it and which are harmful, and this happens, and this is also undesirable. And do you know, in the box it is given a tsunami is an example of undesirable. Tsunami is under sea earthquake. The earthquake which takes place under the sea. Under sea water, the earth parts will be shaken. The earthquake, it causes a huge ocean wave which moves with the speed of about 900 kilometers. We remember in our country once the tsunami took place and many loss. So it can travel hundreds of miles over open sea before it hits the land. So when it travels so fast, it can destroy many things. And Japanese tsunami means harbor wave. So there also harbor wave, and it destroys the thing. This is again undesirable change. So the first kind is slow and fast change, and the second kind is desirable and undesirable changes, and the third kind is periodic and non-periodic changes. Periodic means in a fixed time of interval. Like the good example is your wall clock, which has the pendulum. After 1 hour, it will give a music, and it will struck some um, once, twice, thrice, like that. So that is every 1 hour it will produce the music. That is periodic change. So some of the examples: day and night. After every 12 hours, there is a change, and 24 hours, day and night repeat after every 24 hours, and 1 day completes. And the phases of moon repeat themselves after every 28 days. Once every 28 days, there will be a change, complete change in the moon, phases of moon. And season repeat themselves every year, and this is again periodic change. Every May month there will be hot sun. Every June month there will be hottest. And every month of September, every year there will be rain. Like that, that changes. It is a fixed interval. So that is periodic change. And pendulum already I explained, and motion of the knob of a simple pendulum also is a change in the periodic change. This is called periodic change, any fixed interval time. And non-periodic change means any time without any, it repeats but not in a fixed interval. Some of the examples are earthquake. Earthquake takes place, it occurs, often it occurs, but not in a fixed time. Without warning it comes. And the eruption of volcanoes, that also without warning, suddenly it takes place, not in fixed time. Tidal wave, that also suddenly it can sweep across the coastal area and sweeps away everything. Suddenly it comes. Lightning, the dashing of the clouds in the sky causes lightning, and that also takes place anytime. And during rainy season you can observe it. So these are all non-periodic change. So periodic and non-periodic changes. It is there in your page number 25. So we have completed 3 out of 6 kinds: slow and fast change, desirable and undesirable changes, periodic and non-periodic changes. So in the next class we will see the next part of the lesson.